In honor of its 5th anniversary, Apple's App Store is giving away some of its most popular games and apps for free. Head to the App Store on an iPhone or iPad and you'll find a 5 years of the App Store banner with details on the apps and games available. Apps such as Barefoot World Atlas, Day One, How to Cook Everything, photo editing app Over, and Tractor DJ. In the games department, users can freely download Badland, Infinity Blade 2, Super Brothers Sword and Sorcery EP, Tiny Wings, and Where's My Water. Apple's App Store officially turns 5 years old this Wednesday, but if you want to get a bit of celebrating in early, go ahead and download one of these apps for free, courtesy of Apple. Thanks for watching this video.